Good morning, students. I'm Meenakshi Beri, your maths teacher, going to teach you addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. Addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. In my previous video, I already explained to you how to add and subtract like fractions. Now I am explaining you how to add and subtract like and unlike fractions with the help of few more examples. First example, find 6 by 11 plus 3 by 11. 6 by 11 and 3 by 11 both are like fractions. Both are like fractions. If you have to add the like fractions, you have to add the numerators only. Okay? You have to add the numerators only. In 6 by 11 and 3 by 11, first of all, we will add 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and denominator will write only one time. That is 11. We will not add the denominator. Denominator we will write only one time. Second question is 5 by 7 plus 6 by 7. Both are like fractions. Okay. Again we will add the like fractions. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Denominator will write only once time. That is 7. Neither we add nor subtract the denominator. Neither we add nor subtract the denominator. Now we will learn how to add three fractions. How to add three fractions. 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Okay. All are like fractions with denominator 8. 3 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8. If denominators are same, we can add the numerators. Okay. Now we will add 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. Answer is 6 by 8. 6 by 8 is divisible by 2. That's why we can divide it with 2. We can divide 6 with 2 and 8 with 2 also. Okay. That's why the answer is 3 by 4. Let us see the next example. In this we are having plus and minus sign together. Okay. The fraction is 7 by 9 minus 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Right. If no sign is given with the number, that means that number is having plus sign. If plus and minus both the signs are given in one question, then always we have to follow the BODMAS rule. Right? BODMAS rule means first add, then subtract the numbers. Now you can see on your screen the number written with red color are having plus sign. Okay. First one is 7 by 9 and the second one is 4 by 9. First of all, we will add the number. 7 by 9 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 11 by 9. Now, from 11 by 9, we will subtract the third number. that is 8 by 9. Because denominators are same, that's why we can subtract the numerators. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Denominator is 9. Now both are divisible by 3. That's why the answer is 1 by 3. The answer is 1 by 3. Now we will learn how to add the unlike fractions. How to add the unlike fractions. First of all, change unlike fractions into like fractions using multiplication method. First of all, change unlike fractions into like fractions using multiplication method. Write down the first fraction. Children, first fraction is 1 by 2. Put the multiplication sign and multiply numerator and denominator with 4. 4 is the denominator of second fraction. Okay. First fraction multiply by the denominator of second fraction. 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. New fraction is 4 by 8. Now write down the second fraction, that is 1 by 4. Multiply by the denominator of first fraction, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. Answer is 2 by 8. Right? Now we have to add the numerators. Okay? Because denominators are same, that's why we can add the numerators, and denominator we will write only one time. Right? 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Denominator is 8. New fraction is 6 by 8. Put the division sign because both will come in the table of 2. That's why we will divide both the numbers with 2. And the answer is 3 by 4. And the answer is 3 by 4. Now let us see one more example. Again, you have to add the unlike fraction. First fraction is 11 by 12 and the second fraction is 3 by 5. Both are unlike fractions. First of all, write 11 by 12 multiply by the denominator of second fraction, that is 5. 11 by 12 multiply by 5. 11 multiply by 5 and 12 also multiply by 5. 11 5s are 55, 12 5s are 60. New fraction is 55 upon 60. Write down the second fraction, that is 3 by 5 multiply by 12. 12 3s are 36, 12 5s are 60. The answer is 36 upon 60. Now both are like fractions, that's why we can add the numerators. 55 plus 36 is equal to 91. Denominator we will write only one time. Denominator we will write only one time. That's why the answer is 91 upon 60. Both are not divisible by the same number. That's it. We will write down the answer 91 upon 60. Now let us see one more example. 9 by 13 plus 9 by 10 both are unlike fractions. Both are unlike fractions. Write down the first fraction. Which one is the first fraction? 9 by 13. Multiply by the denominator of second fraction. Which one is the second fraction? 9 by 10. And the denominator is 10. That's why 9 by 13 multiplied by 10. 9 multiplied by 10 and 13 also multiplied by 10. You have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Numerator and denominator by the same number. Which number you have to select? We have to select the denominator of second fraction, right? 10 nines are 19, 13 tens are 130. Clear? Now write down the second fraction, that is 9 by 10. Multiply the denominator of first fraction, that is 13. 9 by 10 multiplied by 13 divided by 13. 13 nines are 117 and 13 tens are 130. Now denominators are same, that's why we will add the numerators. Now add 117 plus 90. Answer is 207. We will not add the denominators. We will write the denominator only one time. While we are solving the fractions, only we will add the numerators. Denominator we will write only one time. Now we will learn how to subtract the unlike fractions. For subtracting the unlike fraction, we will follow the same method as we have done in addition. First of all, write down the first fraction, multiply by the denominator of second fraction. 5 7 ja 35, 9 7 ja 63. Now, write down the second fraction, that is 2 by 7, and multiply by the denominator of first fraction, that is 9. 2 by 7 multiply by 9 multiply by 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 7s are 63. Now we have two fractions. First one is 35 upon 63 and second one is 18 upon 63, right? Now instead of addition, now we'll subtract the numerators. Denominator we will write only one time. In fractions, we will add or subtract the numerators only. Denominators neither we add nor subtract. 35 minus 18 is equal to 17 upon 63. Now see one more example. First fraction is 9 by 20 and the second fraction is 3 by 8. Both are unlike fractions. First of all, we will change both the fractions into like fractions. Write down the first fraction, that is 9 by 20, multiply by the denominator of second fraction, that is 8. 9 by 20 multiplied by 8. Okay, 9 8s are 72, 20 8s are 160. Write down the second fraction, 3 by 8 multiply by the denominator of first fraction, that is 20. 23 is 60, 28 is 160. Okay, now instead of addition, now we have to subtract the numerators. Denominator neither we add nor subtract, we'll write it one time only. 160 you have to write one time only. Subtract the numerator. 72 minus 60, answer is 12. 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. Now children, I think now you are able to understand how to add and subtract like and unlike fractions. You have many questions in your book. Try to solve it and do practice. Be safe in your houses. Thank you and have a nice day.